Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So yeah, we're going straight into the video. This is the before. Now I'm going to be using two products: olive oil ORS edge control and the Sunny Eye Jamaican black castor oil. And then I use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush or any toothbrush of your kind. Here I'm just showing you the consistency of the ORS olive oil because it has like this liquidy jelly feeling, and then the Jamaican castor oil is my go-to edge control because it holds my hair better, especially when if you need like an edge control that does not like give you this whitish residue at the end of the day. This is the best one to use. I've not tried out others, but this particular one has really worked for me. There's going to be an in-depth tutorial on how to do your edges, but this is just a quick method of doing your edges. So you just like work in sections. You divide your hair into 3 parts: your sides, 2 sides, and the middle, depending on what kind of edges you want, whether laid back or swoop. But as you can see, I'm going for the swoop, and all I do is work section by section. So this is what a simple swoop edge style looks like for beginners. This video is totally for complete beginners. I don't even know where to start, so this is just me showing you how your edges should look like. So step 1, work in 3 sections. You have the 2 sides and the middle. Now I'm working on one side. You have to define how or the direction your swoop is going to go. As you can see now, I've switched over to the middle and I'm using an edged comb to define the swoop. It's optional. It's completely optional for, you don't want to do too much. But this is going to define your edges. So first off, you're going to work in sections, and then when swooping, you put your finger, your thumb or your middle finger in between the swoop, and then you curve. Take a little bit of edge control, rub it on the sectioned out parts that you want to work on, and then with your finger in the middle you swoop, and keep repeating, and after you're done, you're going to cover your hair to lay it flat because your edges can easily scatter, so you need your wrap to like hold it firm, and wait for a few minutes. As you can see, I'm waiting. Now your edges are done and you're ready to slay it. You can put any hairstyle of your choice and your edges are gonna look amazing. Be it when you're carrying an old braid or anything really, edges works with everything.